So my question is, what qualities apart from our field knowledge that we require to work on to sustain in a company, to sustain in a corporate sector?
See, the most important quality I would say is sense of ownership, onus, that I am responsible for anything that is going to happen to me in the organization. Like I said when I was talking also, that normally we don't do that. Please, also another thing, reactions are real. What I think, what you think about yourself is not important. What others think about you is more important. So the real feedback comes, what others are looking at you as. If out of 10 people, 7 people say something to you, that would mean they say something negative to you, that means the problem is with you. If just 1 or 2 people say something to you, that means the problem is not with you, but the problem is with the others. So please take the sense of ownership. Anything bad which happens, take the responsibility. Any negative feedback which is given, please take it positively. Because if somebody is criticizing you, he actually wants you to improve. But then at times, at this young age, we don't look at it like this. And that is one thing that I would like to share with you here, another thing. That is what primarily is the difference between the Indian culture or the Indian way of dealing and people who work abroad, the Western culture. In the Indian culture, if I was to say, boss, you have done a blunder or you have not done something which is correct, immediately you will take it personally. Outside, there is a very distinct line. If the same, what's your good name? Your name is?
Umesh.
Umesh. If outside, if Umesh is told the same thing, Umesh, you have not done this thing correctly, Umesh will very quickly understand, I am not being criticized, my action is being criticized. So anything abroad, it is not taken personally. So my submission here is, please don't take anything personally. Take it for your own self-growth and development. Look at the reactions of others. How your bosses, your colleagues, people are reacting to you, that is the real side of you and not what you think. Yes?
Yes,
so please start with that.
Sir, how to develop some persuasion power?
Sorry, how to?
How to develop persuasion power? Convincing power basically.
Persuasion, okay. So, see, the persuasion power, there is a concept which is called assertiveness, right? At your level, persistence is good, but persuasion may not be very good. Because persuasion may lead to what the other person might feel to be stubbornness. Yes? But like I said earlier, you should at least communicate your feelings or not your thoughts. What are thoughts? Thoughts are something which are fake. Thoughts are something that you are telling somebody not because you agree, but because you have to be in his good books. What are feelings? Feelings are something which are real, which you feel. And feelings primarily in an organization is not about taking a chutti. It is not about your selfish vested interest. Feelings are what you actually passionately feel about how it has to be done. Yes? So that has to be kept in line and that should be communicated. But that expectation should not be there, that would be listened to. One. Secondly, when you talk about persuasion, there is one rule which is called WAC. W-A-C. Very quickly I'll tell you that. WAC is, W means what. Always specify what your suggestion or what your issue is. Never generalize. Most of the time we are not able to persuade with things is because either we start generalizing or people above us start generalizing. So always stay to that issue. Then there is no emotional disconnect. There are no emotional influences. A. Ask. Ask what do you think how it can happen. Yes. And C. Check in what the other person has to say. So WAC. So always specify. Be in that groove and try and understand how the other persons look at it. But the bottom line, but this obviously comes at a very later rate, age and time. But the bottom line for you is, please give your suggestions, but don't expect they will be followed. Yes, and don't get demotivated also. Yes. Okay.